Boys and girls, did you know that today, November 4th, is National Candy Day? It is. So today we are going to draw some candy. So if you have any real candy at home and you want to have it by your side while you're drawing, it might be helpful if you're trying to draw that kind of candy to be able to look at it. I'm going to show you how we can draw a candy corn, a lollipop, and a chocolate bar. And the reason that I picked these three is because of their shapes. They are kind of some really simple shapes that we have been learning about and practicing. So we have triangle, circle, and rectangle. So I'm going to show you those three because we are going to be learning about shapes next week. So this will kind of get you ready to go. So I'm going to grab my whiteboard and I'm going to draw it on there. You can draw on your whiteboard too, or if you want to go ahead and jump right into your paper, you can use your sketchbook or whatever paper you have. Alright, here we go. Here's my whiteboard, and I'm going to start on one side and go all the way to the other side. So my first one that I did was my candy corn. So it's a triangle shape, but the edges aren't pointy, they're kind of soft and rounded. So I'm going to try to make a triangle like that. The point is going to be at the top, and what I might do is I put 3 dots, so one for the point and then 2 more at the bottom that are spaced kind of far apart. Now I'm going to try to connect these dots to make my triangle shape. So I'm going to start up here and I'm going to go down, so I'm aiming for my dot, and I'm going to go around so that it has a soft edge. So I'm going over and around, and I'm going to go up. And you know what? I think I might have to erase that top part there so that I can make this more round. Here we go. That looks a little bit better. Made too big of a line there. Let's erase that and try again. Alright, so there's my candy corn. Now candy corns usually have 3 different colors, so I can draw 2 horizontal lines, maybe just a tiny bit of a curve, for the 3 different colors. And you can color these whatever color you want. I gave mine a little bit of a face, so if you want to do that, I'm going to use some circles, and then a nice little smile. You can give them some eyelashes if you want to, or eyebrows. It's up to you. There's my candy corn. The next one I'm going to work on is my lollipop, and it's going to be a circle. So I'm going to make a nice big circle. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my edge here, and I'm going to make a spiral inside. So it's like I'm drawing a smaller circle, but instead of closing it, I'm going to keep going inside until I get it smaller and smaller. There's my lollipop. Now it needs a little stick for me to hold on to. So I'm going to draw a line that goes straight down, and another one that goes straight down, and then connect the bottom. And there's my lollipop and my chocolate bar. So now I'm going to use a rectangle shape for my chocolate bar. So it has 4 sides. One goes straight across, one that goes straight down. We'll bring this other one down too and then connect them. So there's my shape for my chocolate bar. Now in mine I drew the wrapper half on and half off. You can decide how you want to do that. So for the wrapper, I kind of just came to the bottom and put a little almost V shape and just brought that off the edges for the wrapper. And then I did some details inside. Right? Sometimes our chocolate bars have little sections that we can snap off. So then I drew some smaller rectangles inside my big rectangle. So I made 3 in a row. And then this bottom one, you can't see the bottom part, so they're hiding behind the wrapper. And for this one, whoops, backwards, I made this one with a face too, but kind of like eyelashes, or like wing, eyes closed. And there we go. Alright, so boys and girls, you have your 3 shapes. Try to make your own candies. If you want to make other kinds as well, you can make some that are in wrappers, like little hard candies in wrappers with like a circle and kind of the edge of the wrapper, like a diagonal and a zigzag on the end. You can come up with any kind of candy you want. And then pick some of your favorite colors. And you can color it in and have like a fun little candy drawing for National Candy Day. Alright, boys and girls, have fun with your candy. Can't wait to see them.